Functional fitness is a type of training that focuses on improving strength, agility, and endurance for everyday activities. Unlike traditional weightlifting or bodybuilding, functional fitness exercises are designed to mimic movements that people do in their daily lives. This type of training helps individuals build strength and flexibility that will benefit them in real-life situations. Functional fitness exercises often involve using multiple muscle groups at the same time, which helps improve coordination and balance. These exercises can include movements like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. By incorporating these types of exercises into a workout routine, individuals can improve their overall fitness level and reduce their risk of injury. One of the key benefits of functional fitness is that it can help individuals perform better in their daily activities. Whether it's lifting groceries, playing with children, or carrying heavy objects, having a strong and agile body can make these tasks easier and less taxing on the body. Functional fitness can also help individuals maintain their independence as they age by improving their ability to perform basic tasks without assistance. Another advantage of functional fitness is that it can help individuals prevent injuries. By strengthening the muscles and joints that are used in everyday movements, individuals can reduce their risk of strains, sprains, and other common injuries. This type of training can also help improve posture and alignment, which can further reduce the risk of injury. Functional fitness is also a great way to improve overall health and wellness. By incorporating a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups, individuals can improve their cardiovascular fitness, strength, and flexibility. This type of training can also help individuals maintain a healthy weight and reduce their risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Overall, functional fitness is a valuable training method for individuals looking to improve their strength, agility, and endurance for real-life activities. By incorporating functional exercises into a workout routine, individuals can build a strong and resilient body that will serve them well in their daily lives. Whether it's lifting heavy objects, playing sports, or simply moving with ease, functional fitness can help individuals perform better and stay healthy for years to come.